Neglecting personal hygiene can lead to various health issues and social consequences. It may cause bad body odor, skin infections, and other hygiene-related illnesses. Additionally, it can impact your social interactions and overall well-being. It's essential to maintain good personal hygiene habits for your health and self-esteem. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing personal hygiene tips for some of the most neglected body parts. So let's jump right in. Tongue. Use a tongue scraper or soft bristled toothbrush to clean your tongue's surface gently. Scrape or brush from back to front to remove bacteria, food particles, and dead cells. Rinse your mouth with an antibacterial mouthwash after brushing your teeth and cleaning your tongue. Underarms. Wash your underarms daily with soap and water to remove sweat, bacteria, and odor. Use an antiperspirant or deodorant to control sweat and odor throughout the day. Belly button. Clean your belly button regularly, especially if you have an innie, using a cotton swab dipped in warm, soapy water. Gently remove any lint, dirt, or dead skin that may accumulate inside the belly button. Dry the area thoroughly to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to bacterial growth. And there you have it, personal hygiene tips for the most neglected body parts. Let's make personal hygiene a priority and feel fresh and confident every day. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more useful content.